Archaeologists have found many inexplicable artifacts unable to fit into written history, one of them being the Baghdad Battery. Archaeologist Wilhelm Koning discovered this strange artifact in modern-day Qujut Rabu, Iraq, in 1936 and 1938. It was about 2,000 years old, a clay jar that had a copper cylinder inside and an iron rod. This was estimated to date from 250 BCE to 224 CE. It is known as a battery for its appearance inside the jar. The jar itself was thought to be Parthian, but it looks to be more like the Sasanian period. Scientists actually tested it by filling it with an acidic liquid like vinegar, and it could actually produce a weak but electrical current. There were also some more experiments conducted in 1970s by Dr. Arne Egebrecht with a replica of the battery, and it could generate a small voltage when filled with acidic solution. But unfortunately, no direct records of these experiments exist in 2025. Some people did not agree that it was a battery. In fact, the reason why it was named a battery is because in 1938, Wilhelm Koning authored a paper presenting his hypothesis on the discovery of this being a galvanic cell used for electroplating gold into silver objects. But this is rejected by archaeologists and scientists. These archaeologists and scientists believe that there was alternative uses to this. For example, scroll storage vessel or a symbolic foundation for the corners of graves. Original reports from Albert Alhaik noted that on 1936 in the northeast of Baghdad is where the artifact was found, which is where the name from it comes from. So that's why it's called the Baghdad Battery. Apart from people disagreeing with Wilhelm Koning, you might have heard of the Mythbusters TV program. This program set out to bust the idea that it could or couldn't be a battery, and the battery produced 4 volts of electricity when linked in series in the show. So a replica of this battery produced 4 voltages. Not a lot, but it still functioned as a battery. So this challenges the idea that the battery and technological advances like that were found in a more modern times. What do you think? Do you believe ancient people produced electricity before us?